everybody, and today I am making a cat chase game. So after you get your profile on Scratch all set up, you would press new project normally, but I already have it all set up. So what I'm going to do is, see inside, okay, so what I'm going to do is make a game where the cat chases the mouse, and then if it catches the mouse, it switches to the "you have been caught" backdrop. But right now we're going to keep that at the blank one. So, when flag clicked, this is the start of most code. It starts when you start the code. So we're going to drag out that, and forever, so it runs forever after you click that. And then we will do looks, next costume. So right now, you gotta wait 1 second. You gotta wait 1 second. Now it's walking, but slower. Okay? So after you got that done, you add another when flag clicked, another forever, and an if, which is if this happens, and we're going to say touching mouse pointer, then broadcast, and we're going to change that message name to caught, okay. So now we have broadcast caught, and now we need the code to make it chase your mouse. So to do that, you say when flag clicked, and you do another forever, and you say, glide 1 second, and point. So it points to mouse pointer, and it glides 1 second to mouse pointer. Oh, I need to run it again. Okay. So right now it's like chasing the thing, and if it catches you, it does nothing. So I need to go into backdrops. I already have that set up. So I've already set up my backdrops here. So what I need to do is, now I say when I receive caught, switch backdrop to backdrop number 2. And when flag clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop number 1. And with the cat, something you can do is just put all of this into the same loop. But if you do that, it kind of stops to check. It's like kind of stops to check if it's been caught. So I would say to put them all separate. I would say to put them all separate. And then right now, if you get caught, it says you have been caught. And if you really want, you can add music with another one flag clicked forever. We're using a lot of forever loops here. So now we do sounds. Oh, it got meow set up. Loops. And I like this one. Okay, so you get a sound and play sound, dance energetic until that. You have been caught. The end. It's still chasing me. Okay, so I will make another tutorial on a bit more about these different blocks, like the forever loops and the when flag clicked. And then I'll also show you what this backpack is. But yeah. So thanks for watching.